Hi everyone, my name is Maggie Villette and I am in my 8th year of teaching. Currently I am a kindergarten teacher at a school in the Kansas City metro area. I am teaching at a Title I school and I absolutely love teaching at Title I schools. I've been to a couple different schools and all of them have been Title I schools because it's just a passion of mine. Currently, I am seeking my master's as a reading specialist, and I'm in my second semester of courses, and I have really enjoyed all of the courses that have been in the Google Plus format. I think it's been great to be able to talk to people from all over, and I think it's been an awesome way to communicate and just to learn from other people. So I'm really looking forward to using Google Plus with this course. What I am looking to learn from this course is just helping fine-tune lesson planning. I always think that you can learn from anything, and so I'm looking forward to adding more tools to my toolkit for either just daily lesson planning or unit planning, or just looking at scope and sequence and planning for the whole year. So I'm really looking forward to learning from this course and learning from you all as well. Thank you.